would you believe me if I told you that this wig is like 6 years old? 6 years old. This hair is so good, all right? Just hold on and keep watching so you can see how good this hair is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning back in. Today I got a video. It's gonna be like somewhat of a hair review because I have never done this hair review before. So I bought this hair years ago, okay? Let's just get into that. It's still going strong. Like, look at it. This hair is amazing. Look at this. Hold on, let me show y'all this. Hold on. Look at this hair. I'm gonna put everything in the description. Okay, I'm lying. It wasn't 6 years ago, but it felt like it was that long because I've had this wig for that long. So I bought this hair back in 2018. 2 years ago, right? It was almost 2 years to date. So I bought this hair July 30th, 2018. All right, it is from Blink Beauty Company. I found this company on Instagram, and I was like, okay, let me try it out. So I bought this full lace wig. It was a Eurasian straight full lace unit. It's 20 inches. The cap size is small. Density is 150, and it was expensive as hell. But I got a discount code. I used some discount code that I don't even remember, and I probably got it on like, no, it wasn't a holiday, but I used a discount code and I ended up paying around like $350 for this wig. All right, now for the price and for the quality of the hair, I would have to say that I am getting what I paid for, and I would recommend this hair because it's still going strong 2 years later. And like I said, I almost felt like it was so much longer than it has been, but it's like amazing. This hair is true to length. I cut the hair. It was way longer than this, but I cut the hair because I wanted it to look fuller and I wanted the ends to just curl better. I don't know if you guys noticed, but when the hair is long, the ends get a bit thinner. So I cut the ends so that I could have more like a blunt, fuller look, and I really love it. The color is black, and I had somebody bleach the knots for me. I don't think that they said that I had to, but I had somebody do it anyway for me, and I was really happy that they did that. After they did that, it just looked 10 times better. But the hair is bomb. I wear it like all the time. Like I said, this is the second year that I'm coming up on this hair. Like, it's so full. It's very full to me. Like, you can, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's super full, and it just got fuller once I cut it. I really don't have much complaints about it. The only thing, like all hair, it tangles a bit in the back, but not excessively. Like, obviously it's hot, it's summertime out here, and you sweat. Like, I sweat, so if I'm sweating, it would like just do what regular hair does. Like, in the back, it just like comes together a little bit, but it's not anything that's excessive, like, oh my gosh, it's like a big old like ball in the back of my head. No, nothing like that. One thing that I do have to say about this hair is that it sheds. From the minute that I got the hair, it was shedding. I guess after I got it customized, it was shedding more. Even till this day, even after I cut it, it sheds. It's not excessive, but it's enough to have you notice. Like, you run your fingers through it and you get hair. You comb it, you get hair. That's one thing that I did notice about it. The customer service is really good. I got the hair pretty quickly. Let me see how fast I got this hair. And I am a firm believer in making sure I wear the hair, get enough out of the hair before I come on here and make a review. So 2 years is long overdue. This review is long overdue. I ordered the hair and I received it within about a week or so. So it was pretty quick. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love that it's an entire frontal unit. So if I want to switch up my parts, I can. I just didn't mold it to that side. So I could do a middle part if I wanted to, and I have done middle parts with this hair before. Done this side part, no part. You could do whatever you want with this hair, and that's why I actually really do love it. It lays very, very, very flat. Like for my head is a small, and it doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel like it's squeezing my head. It comes with a clip on the back. I'll show you guys, and also bands. So the bands come together on both sides and like meet in the middle. So that's just added security to make sure that it fits snug on your head. And when I tell you, when I put this wig on, it doesn't move, it doesn't go anywhere. I don't feel like it's shifting. Once I lay it down, it's good, and I don't have to worry about it being too big or moving or anything like that. So I really, really, really do like this hair. As you can tell, I really am like still in love with this hair. Like I said, everything will be left in the description box below. Make sure that you check the box, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, make sure that you hit the thumbs up and like the video, and let me know if I should do more hair reviews and videos like this, because I've never really done it, and I've been wearing extensions and weaves and wigs for a while now, and I'm like, maybe I should let you guys know what I like and what I've bought and what I've purchased and seen that really looks good and really is good. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see more like this. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.